The Andax Pac Combo Spill Kit is a portable emergency spill pack that contains non-aggressive chemicals, coolants, solvents, and oils. This Andax Pac includes 20 oil-selective pads, 1 disposal bag, a pair of nitrile gloves, 1 zip tie, and 3 general-purpose Sorb Sox. This pack can be ordered with personal protective equipment or customized to your specifications. Sealed in a vacuum-packed foil pouch, the Andax Pac compresses to a mere 3 inches and easily fits behind the seat in repair trucks. The Andax Pac Combo Spill Kit can be hung near potential spill locations for a faster spill response. The pouch features extra large grommets and an easy open-tear notch for quick access to the kit. The kit includes additional color-coded labels using our patented Label Match Response system. To ensure the fastest spill response, Andax designed the pouch with an easy carry handle to contain up to a 10-gallon spill covering 40 square feet of surface area. The Andax packs are a full line of emergency spill kits for a complete spill preparedness control center. Call us today for more information about the Andax Pac spill kits and other Andax spill containment products. If you like this video and are new to our channel, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos. For the most up-to-date product information, please visit Andax.com.